Okay, so I just made the chocolate microwave cake, and it's super easy. As you can see, it's easy enough for a kid to do it. So we're gonna do another one. All right, so we're just gonna do a vanilla with sprinkles this time, like a Funfetti thing. So first, Corey, you want to get the flour. And since we aren't doing chocolate, we're gonna do 6 tablespoons of the, you gotta dry it out before you put it in there. We're gonna do 6 tablespoons of flour this time. 6 tablespoons. That's 1. Shake it in there. That's why you gotta dry it out all the way. All right, come on, come on. It's supposed to be fast. 2. Oh my goodness, the cake should have been done by now.
Yours wasn't done by the time you did this.
You see, you know what? Let me tell you something about 10-year-olds. They got a whole lot of mouth and a whole lot of back yapping is what they do. Now, how many is that?
4.
Sitting over here back talking, you don't know how many tablespoons you got in there. That's you gotta level it out just a little bit. There you go. There you go. Oh, I could have made 3 cakes by now and ate them all at the same time. Like, jeez. All right, you got your flour in there. Now you're gonna put 3 tablespoons of sugar. Nope. Just shake it out into the bowl. Don't worry, once I get my, I'm gonna put my stuff in my jars. So this don't take all day. That's 1. 2. 3. Okay, so now you need a 1/4 teaspoon, which is the smaller one, of salt. Do it over the sink. I said a 1/4 teaspoon. Oh my goodness, not the whole box. Jeez. And now we need 2. So this is technically a 1/2 teaspoon, but we're doing 2 of the 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder. But you need to, there you go, shake it out real good, so you don't get that in my baking soda. I mean my baking powder. Get the salt out of it. Oh my God. See, this is why I bake alone. Come on, you gotta dry it out.
You said how many?
2 of those. It's technically a 1/2 teaspoon. So you see this edge right here? You see this edge? You use that to level it out. So when you pick up your powder, you take it and level it out. Boom! Look at that. It's perfect. All right, do it again. Let's see if she can do it. Stop shaking so much. Oh my goodness. Look. Look at that. Look. Hold on. You gotta make sure it's perfect. Is it? It'll do. Go ahead. All right. That's all you needed for that. Now you need 2 tablespoons of oil. We using vegetable oil. Just pour it in there. Do it over the bowl because I'm wasting my good ingredients. Slowly. Stop shaking. Oh my goodness. It's like an earthquake over here. Look at, and then she gonna drool. Oh my gosh, this is her cake. Her cake. Pour it in there. All right, do it again. There you go. Now you need a 1/4 cup of milk. Now, what I tell you about measuring liquids?
What?
What are you gonna use to measure your milk?
Mama, I'm thirsty.
What I tell you about measuring liquids? What are you gonna use to measure liquid?
The side.
The liquid.
Mama.
That's it right here.
How you gonna do that? We're using this for
Dang
liquid. Get the milk.
Oh.
Pour a quarter cup.
Where's
Quickly.
Bed.
Where's milk usually?
Corey, I want
a quarter?
Put it down on the counter so you can look and see where's the quarter cup at. Where's the quarter?
I see it's right here.
Is it?
Yes.
Let me check. Y'all see that? Is that a quarter cup? Oh yeah, that is. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I can't.
She's shaking like a crackhead. Go ahead.
Stop.
Get to it. That's too much. I'm just playing. You good?
Dang.
She good.
She gonna make me pour the whole entire thing in there.
Look, see, all this lip is not necessary. You making my cake upset. First you drool in it, and then you want to talk back around it. Go ahead.
Mom! Mommy!
All right, now you need, for this cake, let's do half of a tablespoon of vanilla. So, like you said before, with looking at the side, yes, you can do that. So, half of that in vanilla. Half of that in vanilla. Carrie, why did you kick me?
Oh, isn't that the bowl that...
Come on. It don't make a difference.
What? Mommy? Mama? Mommy?
Don't look at my dirty dishes, y'all. All right, that's good. You know, vanilla is like priceless around here these days. Like,
Mommy?
I mean, it's priced. It's just priced for the highest bidder. All right, put the top on it because you don't want it evaporating and we won't have none.
Mommy?
What?
Can I have some apple juice?
No, not right now. Wait till I'm done. Thank you. Now pick your lip up off the floor. Is it off the floor?
Lip?
Yeah, pick your lip up. All right, come on.
What?
Get a fork. Get the stirring. Fork. Range it out. All right. Come on.
No,
This took me like 2 seconds.
no, I didn't.
Stir nice and slowly before you spill it all on the counter. Until all the flour and stuff is together, and then you're gonna stir a little faster. Get all the dry ingredients wet. Wet. Go ahead.
The world?
Come on.
She only do.
Now you need to put your sprinkles in. Oh my goodness.
At least the top.
Yes, at least it was on, because now you don't have to die tonight.
Why were the sprinkles in right there?
Because we're making funfetti. Put it in. Just sprinkle a little bit. More. That's good. Now stir it up real good. A little bit more.
Yes,
You're talking.
You're going in. Yes, you do, Alexa.
talking to someone on the TV. Like this girl that's on the TV.
More faster. A little faster. Get it in there good. More. Make sure you get to the bottom. There you go. Now it's nice and smooth. But now you can leave it in this bowl and put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes.
Mama, the TV doesn't work for T-Boomy Zoomy.
Oops. Just press play and then hit the 30 seconds.
I can't. Oh.
Let's see. Yep, it's done. I'll take it out for you. It's hot. Okay, so now you're gonna take this and scrape down your sides like this. Okay? Slowly, okay? So you're just getting it loose from the bowl. Here. All the way to the bottom. Loosen it up all the way to the bottom. All the way around.
Which house is yellow with an orange roof?
Yellow, orange.
That onion is strong. Alright, now what you can do is take the bowl and flip it over onto the plate. But don't crack my bowl nor my counter. Do it quickly, because it's hot. Might have to do it harder. There you go. Look at that. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's pretty.
Are you still done?
Okay, so now you can take your icing. This is the color she picked. So you just take your icing and spread it on the top. From the top and just let it fall to the sides. In the middle. There you go. Make sure it's in the middle. There you go. Alright, that's good. That's a lot. That's enough. Jeez. Put the spoon back in there. Now, get your sprinkles and sprinkle a few sprinkles on top. Make sure the top is on. Shake them onto the cake, but don't touch the cake with the sprinkles. Up a little higher. Alrighty. Looks good. Now I want you to get your fork. Cut into that thing. Do it slow. Don't be a savage. Ooh, look at that cake. Look at it. Cut that piece in half. That's right. Show it on, baby. Show it. Show that piece of cake. Now pick it up with your fork. Alright, blow on it. Blow it. Don't put it straight in your mouth. Oh, look at those. Go ahead. Go ahead, girl. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Where your lip gloss at? It's all good. It's all good. Alright, now let me see what it's ow! The whole piece, Corey. I know it's hot. Mouth burning. Blow the flames out. Blow them on out. Is it good? Let me see. Because if you was a judge on TV, I'd be like, dang, they don't really like it. What you think? Need some milk?
Maybe.
What's wrong with it?
It's the
That frosting?
Mama, are you done? That's scary.
What you been eating, Carrie?
Nothing.
What's on your face? What you been eating?
Cake.
What kind of cake?
Chocolate cake.
That's not chocolate.
What's that?
It's vanilla. You want to try this one?
Mm-hmm.
Corey, put that nasty frosting on there.
Ooh, yummy.
Oh yeah, that frosting is disgusting.
It tastes good to me.
No, that frosting tastes like soap. I think she put soap in the bowl.
I love soap. Mama, this is my favorite.
Aside from the soapy taste of the frosting, this cake is delicious.
It tastes delicious.
It's good enough for me to keep eating it, even though it tastes like soap.
I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. You want still some of this?
All right, hold on. Dang, can I enjoy a piece of cake?
Sorry.
She don't want to put a lip gloss on. She ready. Let me see that little piece of cake. Go ahead. Make sure you slow down so I can see. Look at it glistening. Glistening in the light. All right. That cake still tastes nasty, but your lips look nice. Lips is popping. Look at them. What kind of special effects you got on your lips?
Players.
Mmm.